Module Overview. To provide in-depth knowledge and expert insights into identifying, evaluating, and strategically partnering with reliable print-on-demand POD companies and manufacturing partners that align with an artist's brand vision, quality expectations, scalability needs, pricing structure, and customer service standards. Understanding the print-on-demand business model. This section explains the core mechanics of the POD model and how it empowers independent artists to scale without inventory or production overhead. Artists will learn what is print on demand, differences between pod aggregators, e.g. Redbubble, TeePublic, and integrated pod suppliers, e.g. Printful, Printify, Gooten, dropshipping versus warehousing models, order fulfillment flow, customer, platform, manufacturer, delivery. We also explore pros and cons, touching on margins and commissions, branding limitations, product customization control over quality. Evaluating POD platforms, criteria, and frameworks. Choosing the right partner is a strategic decision, and this section provides a clear evaluation framework. The criteria include product variety. Does the platform offer the types of products you want, e.g. mugs, apparel, wall art, tech accessories? Quality of goods, material composition, print finish, matte, glossy, durability, and customer reviews. Print technology, DTG, sublimation, screen printing, embroidery, UV printing, etc. Fulfillment times, from order to shipping. Global reach, warehouses across continents to reduce shipping costs / duration integration options. Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, Squarespace. White labeling and packaging, branded packing slips, inserts, custom labels. Artists will also learn how to build a POD comparison scorecard using tools like Excel or Notion to rank platforms across categories. An in-depth review of major POD providers. This section dives into the top global POD providers, covering their features, limitations, pricing, integrations, and suitability for different types of artists. Printful, best for pro branding, integrates with Shopify, Etsy, and more. Offers white labeling, fast global shipping, high quality apparel. Printify, huge product catalog, multiple suppliers, quality may vary. Cheaper pricing, but less control. Redbubble, artist marketplace model, lower margins, but has built-in traffic. Great for exposure and passive income. Teespring/Spring, great for social media integration, now supports physical products, but limited design freedom. Zazzle/Society6, artist community platforms with royalty systems. Focus on wall art, home decor, stationery. Gelato, excellent international fulfillment and quality, strong for books, prints, cards. Gooten, broad product catalog, no monthly fees, suitable for volume businesses. This includes comparison charts, case studies, and screenshots of artist dashboards and mock-up generators. Assessing product quality before launch. You'll learn why sample ordering is critical. Topics include how to order samples to test quality, shipping time, and packaging. What to check, fabric feel, color vibrancy, alignment, resolution, stitching, and durability. Using sample orders for content creation, mock-ups, unboxings. We also cover how to negotiate or test smaller batch runs with traditional manufacturers outside POD. Legal, policy, and support considerations. Every platform has its policies around intellectual property, copyright, content bans, and dispute resolution. This section addresses terms and conditions that impact ownership rights and royalties. Licensing pitfalls to avoid, e.g. signing away exclusivity, refund and reprint policies for damaged goods, artist support responsiveness, and channels sales tax and VAT implications for cross-border shipping. Managing relationships with manufacturers and white label partners. This section is for artists scaling into mid-level or full-scale production beyond POD. Topics include how to source ethical manufacturers, local or international, requesting MOQ, minimum order quantity, quotes, building vendor relationships, communication, contracts, NDAs, quality control, working with product testers and logistics agents, incorporating brand elements, labels, tags, thank you cards, box design, managing production calendars and timelines. Decision-making matrix, matching platform to artistic goals. The final section guides students through platform to goal alignment. Whether you're building a premium luxury art brand, creating casual lifestyle merchandise, or monetizing through mass market volume, you'll be taught to map personal brand identity to platform offerings. Choose multiple platforms for different tiers, e.g., Redbubble for mass sales, Printful for premium offerings. Plan transitions from POD to hybrid to full manufacturing control, downloadables and resources. POD platform comparison spreadsheet template. Sample email scripts for vendor outreach checklist. Evaluating a POD platform, price margin calculator. Sample legal terms for partnerships.